Welcome back, guys. On this adventure, I'm out in Laguna Beach, California, kayaking for the first time out in the Pacific Ocean. It was really cool and a lot of fun. Very challenging though to get started. The tide was coming in about 3-4 feet that morning, and I did find it to be very therapeutic when we were out in the water. You'll hear me say that in the video. Check it out.
Remember, if you need to turn, pedal on the opposite side of the way you want to go.
Okay.
And I'll push you guys out.
Ready?
Here you go.
I'm following you. I'm watching your paddle. You let me know if you want to turn. You want to turn? Okay. I'm turning. I got my paddle. Okay, I'm following your paddle, so you just paddle and I'll follow you. We made it! Woo! Yeah, it's pretty chill. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you want to do a verbal drill if we tip. So if we tip, I'll do my best to hold the boat while you get in first. Okay? So that way we know. No, I don't think we will, but just so we know. Oh yeah, look, there's a bunch of seals over there. Yeah. 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 Right. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. 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 No, you don't really. Willow's coming out now. Yeah. Everybody made it. Nice. Oh gosh, yes. Okay, Willow's getting in. Yeah. Yeah, she's on the land. Yeah, she's barely getting in. Well, you're doing good up to this point, so you're doing all right. I don't know if you can turn and see my camera if it's blinking red.
It's blinking red.
Okay, cool. So I've been recording. Hey!
Hey, woo!
Look at that kelp. I'm hungry.
Little snack. Hopefully the seal pops out.
Yeah, right? Yeah. It'll definitely do over an hour. You guys made it. Woohoo! It's very nice. Look at that bird. A pelican. Here she comes. Oh, she definitely knows what she's doing. Look at that. Jeez. That's badass. Way to go, Willow. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, Willow, you're a pro!
Yeah, look at you.
Woo! You're a pro, Willow, you're a pro! Show how to do it.
Yeah, I had no idea. I was like surprised. I'm like, I can't run. My day will be easier.
Oh yeah. Very true. Right? Did they go in? Where they at? Oh, they're all over there. They're about to. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. If we would have had snacks, they would have come and seen us. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wake up, guys. This is a chillax day for them. Yeah? See you later, guys. They're living their best life. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. 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 God, what a perfect day. Oh, crash! Crash! That was our fault. Our fault.
Yeah?
20?
25.
50.
34. 34.
Golly. Wow. Oh, look. Look, dolphins right here. Like 11 o'clock. About 30 yards out. Watch. The waves going right over them. Watch. Look more to your right. Right there. Keep looking. You'll see them. Yeah, they're going that way. Watch. Let's see if they, what do they call that when they post up like that? Yeah, there was like some dolphins, I think it was. Yeah, they might be over here now. I don't know. Yeah, their dorsal fin breached just once. They might be going under everybody right now. Who knows? I know if I was a dolphin, I would. Love me some Pacific. Oh yeah, there she is over there. They just docked. Yeah. Look straight.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Probably like this guy. That's the worst. Yeah, Ollie.
Yeah. Yeah. Little too shaky? Little too shaky? Oh, oh. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I bet. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm keeping my eye out. Maybe they took off more towards the deep. Who knows? Oh, that one lady's, she's doing it. Yeah. Oh, a couple of those people are. Huh? He's up in front of us.
Oh. Sorry. I'm like looking at everything.
Hell yeah. They were headed straight in our direction. They were heading straight the way we're going. Yeah.
So this all this park that's over to your left here is all hunting. You guys ever walk through there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool. It's all like, you know, they have a ton of different like sports, exhibits, but they're like sometimes tough to see, like the benches and things. All sorts of stuff.
Yeah. Nice.
This right in front of us is called Rock Pile. It's like one of the best surf spots in Laguna.
Oh
It's
wow.
also really, yeah, you can see surf right there. It's really difficult because you gotta really know the area. You gotta take off. You really like paddle into the rock and then get up and then turn before you swim.
Oh wow.
So right around that time, the migrating came out of South Korea. Turned that into his.
Very cool. Huh? Plastic. Gotta save the earth, man. That's right. Did my good deed. Where? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, hell yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Hell yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Nice. Hell yeah. That's cool. Sawdust Art Festival. Really? Oh yeah, way over there. Look over there. Yeah, 9. Look out there. Look out there. There's big dolphins over there. You see him? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, about probably like 10 o'clock that way. Oh, they're definitely over there for sure. Oh, that guy, he's on it. Yeah. Nice. Made it. Oh, I bet. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. He's trying to catch up to his buddy, looks like. That would suck to be stuck out in the ocean. Have you ever seen that movie? Gosh, I forgot the name of that movie. No, not that one. That one movie where that girl and that guy, they go out with like a group of people to go scuba diving, and they kind of like, I think if I remember right, they give each other like a time and a designation underwater where they're supposed to be going, and literally they say, we're gonna take a head count of how many people by the time we leave, so that way everybody leaves together. Well, this couple, they dove a little further than where they were supposed to have gone, and literally everybody leaves and they're both out there, and they're fucking out there for like ever. Yeah, the closest time that they get to being saved is there's a big old cargo ship passing by close, and they do not even see them. It's a fucked up story out in the ocean. I think it might be true. Yeah.
Once you get close to him, you grab the front of the boat, you guys will pop out there and don't want to. You guys can start heading in.
Huh? Oh gosh, yes. It'd be so sick to even go scuba diving. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So therapeutic, man. God, just relaxing.
When it's like even calmer than this, we'll take the paddleboards out and go right into the kelp and just throw it up over the board and just take it down.
Oh, what? Nice. That's cool.
Gotta find it out.
Yeah. Crash. Yeah.
Where are you guys visiting from?
Southern New Mexico. hmm Totally taking advantage of this weather because when I go back home, it's not like here you get a nice little sizzle.
Yeah.
You go back home, it's like instant burn once you walk outside. It's like I do not spend my time outside when I'm over there.
Alright, you guys deserve that.
Okay. Okay. Woohoo! That was awesome. Doing okay? Yeah?